I'm Debbie, and this is Driftwood and Shine Cooking. And I just built, or didn't build, I redone. This was a hutch with the glass and all the stuff. I took it kind of apart a little bit and painted it and whatever. And that's where I'm going to have, like, my plates that I use to show my food and my everyday plates. And also, down bottom is my spices. I'm going to turn you down because I did a thing with my spices yesterday, and then it wasn't quite big enough. So, and I saw my platter that I had made on Driftwood and Shine, so I said, well, let me use that. So I'm going to turn you down, and we're going to see. Okay, here's my beautiful platter that I made. This is made out of a Dollar Tree $5 tray, and I decoupaged all this Western napkin and my horse on it because we are cowgirls around here. Let's see if I can get that halfway straight. There. Okay. Now this is what I had put my spices in yesterday, but it didn't hold everything. I've got stuff sitting over here. So what we're going to do is take and try to see if we can arrange them on here. Now this is my chili powder. If y'all watch me cook very much, I use chili powder in lots of things. I love chili powder. I love the flavor. And then we've got garlic salt. I have my garlic powder somewhere. That's onion powder. Maybe I don't have any garlic powder anyhow. Complete. I mean, I have just several. Let's see. We're going to put chili powder up to the front. Complete, I do use quite often. I use that. Turmeric, I don't use as much. We'll put him to the back. Ground cumin, I use a lot. Paprika, we use quite a bit. There's another got 2 paprikas, got 2 cumin, 3 chili powders. Curry, don't use a lot, so we'll put it back there. I do love the spice of curry. Lemon pepper seasoning. Now, I have that mainly because the Sonny and them like it. I don't like it at all. Minced onion, I'm going to put it up to the front, and I have a bunch of it, guys. I have minced onion, chopped onion. Let's see, chopped onion. And I have another one somewhere. Let me find it. Well, I thought I did, but that's okay. Then mustard seed. Guys, I like to have this. I do use this, but I also like to have it just for the fact of if we have the faith the size of a grain of mustard seed, we can move mountains. And you see how little, let me show you. I just love this. Whoops, I ain't even opened this one. But it says that we can move mountains. I did a devotion on faith today on our Driftwood and Shine Daily channel. But look at this. How teeny tiny a grain of mustard seed is. Whoops, I can't even get it in my hand. It's so tiny. Let's see if I can get it right here where you can see it. You see that? Faith that big moves mountains. Can you even imagine if we truly sell out to the Lord, what can be done? Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Then I have celery seed. I do have 2 celery. No, that's sesame seed. I have 2 celery seed. Oh, here it is. Here's my other one. We'll put him right there. Then I have parsley. Now, I do use parsley some. Ginger, I don't use a lot. When I cook Chinese, I use that. Ground nutmeg, that's along with cinnamon. I hardly ever use it. Bay leaves when I'm making soups or whatever. Basil, I do have 2 of these. I use some. Red crushed peppers, we use quite a bit, so let's put it up toward the front. Onion powder, we use a lot. Ground cinnamon, that's there again. I'm going to put it toward the back because I don't use it that often. Now this is just called Meat Magic. This stuff tastes so good, guys. If you ever find it, it tastes delicious. And there's white pepper, of course we use that. coriander I use in that chicken, when I make the chicken enchiladas. Ooh, I love. Then we have adobo seasoning. We have Tony's, of course. We have some steak seasoning. We have seafood. Some more Tony's. And then our vanilla. Let's see if we have a place that our vanilla will sit. There. There we go. So there's everything. And that's not including our black pepper. So let's just set our black pepper up on top because it's like our salt. We use it quite a bit. Actually, it'll probably sit with the salt. We'll set it, the black pepper and the salt, we'll set over beside our stove. But anyhow, there you go, guys. Look at this tray of spices. And all this toward the front I use quite often. But there you go. There's a simple way to keep your spices. And I'm going to turn you up so you can see where I'm going to put them. A tray of spices will sit right there. So they're right handy to me. So all I got to do is get them out when I'm ready to use them. So, but there you go, guys. Yay! All right. Y'all have a good day.